Electric vehicle charging started at home, with 70 to 80% of EV owners charging right where they live. But times are changing. The UK government's initiatives have increased workplace EV charge points by 70% between 2020 and 2023. Businesses can now claim up to 75% of the hardware and installation costs for up to 40 sockets. Electric Miles, the leading smart charging platform in the UK, is extending the focus from residential to commercial charging. We present our commercial charging solutions, effortless management and ultimate convenience with a single interface for home, workplace, and destination charging. Manage your charges easily with detailed business reports, seamless access control, and secure codes for customers and employees. Our cloud platform secures your charges, eliminating the need to switch them off to avoid theft. Perfect for businesses offering salary sacrifice schemes, landlords in multi-dwelling units, or Airbnb and holiday homes with charging facilities. Our smart charging leverages commercial tariffs, prioritizes your business's needs, and reduces CO2 emissions by working with the local grid. We've proven our expertise by trading flexibility from domestic chargers, earning rewards for drivers. Whether you're a dentist, an Airbnb owner, or a real estate company, or any business looking to deploy EV chargers, reach out to us. We offer turnkey solutions with top charger brands and installation partners, integrated with our smart charge platform. One price, full service, continuous support. Run your business efficiently, reduce costs, and support your EV charging needs with Electric Miles. Contact us today and power up your workplace the smart charge way.